Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 5, Coordinate Geometry. So Chapter 5, Coordinate Geometry, you have to note down this formula, how to find the area of a triangle, ABC. If capital A that is equal to x1, y1 and capital B that is equal to x2, y2 and capital C that is x3, y3. These are the three vertices of a triangle. You know that how many vertices for a triangle? 3 vertices, correct? That is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 square units. So the vertices to be taken, the vertices capital A, B and C to be taken in anti-clockwise direction, that is a counterclockwise direction, remember. Okay. Now exercise 5.1, problem number 1. Exercise 5.1, problem number 1. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points. 3 points are given, 1, minus 1, minus 4, 6 and minus 3, minus 5. We can do the first subdivision. Okay. Question number 1, subdivision 1. You are given 3 points. All the 3 points to be plotted in a graph. You know how to plot the points, right? First point is 1, minus 1. 1 in x-axis minus y in minus 1 in y-axis. That's a 1, 1. Next point minus 4, 6. Minus 4 in x-axis, 6 in y-axis. This is the point minus 4, 6. Next one minus 3, minus 5. Minus 3 in x-axis, minus 5 in y-axis. Here is the intersection of that. Minus 3 and minus 5. So 3 points. All the 3 points to be joined by using the scale. Now we have to consider A, B and C in counterclockwise direction. You can start A anywhere. Suppose I take A over here. Here only have to take B. This is the anti-clockwise direction, counterclockwise, A, B and C. Now write the formula, area of a triangle ABC. Therefore, area of triangle ABC, that is equal to, right, half into, can represent the formula in this way, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Again you have to write x1 y1. The first and last must be same. That is equal to half into x1 y1, that is point A. Point A, that is x1 y1. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. I note down here x1 y1. This is x2 y2. This is the point x3 y3. So what is x1 y1? Minus 3 minus 5. Then 1 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 5, 1 minus 1. Point C, that is equal to minus 4, 6. Again you have tried minus 3 minus 5. First and last column must be same. Now write off as it is. Have to multiply in this direction. Multiply these two. Minus 3 into minus 1, that is equal to 3. 1 into 6, 6 plus 6. Minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20. Write them inside the brackets. Then introduce minus. Then you have to multiply these three. Minus 5 into 1, that is equal to minus 5. Minus 1 into minus 4, that is equal to plus 4. 6 into minus 3 minus 18. Equals half into, write all the numbers. 3 plus 6 plus 20. Minus into minus plus 5. Minus into 4 minus 4. Minus into minus plus 18. That is equal to half into 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 20, 29, 29 plus 5, that is equal to 34, 34 plus 18, that is equal to 52, minus 4, that is equal to half into 52 minus 4, that is equal to 48. Can cancel by 2 table. How many times? 24 times. 24 ones are 24. You have tried that. Square units. That is the answer for the first problem, first subdivision. Now subdivision number 2. Here is subdivision number 2. Find the area of the triangle formed by the 3 points. Here I have plotted all the 3 points. Minus 10, minus 4, minus 10 in x-axis, minus 4 in y-axis. Here it is. That's the first point. Second point, there is minus 8 comma minus 1, minus 8 in x-axis, minus 1 in y-axis. Here is minus 8 comma minus 1. And the third point, minus 3 comma minus 5. Minus 3 in x-axis, minus 5 in y-axis. Here is minus 3 comma minus 5. All the 3 points are plotted. Now we have to join all the 3 points. Okay. Now you can consider the points in anti-clockwise direction. I take a A over here, therefore it is B. This one is C. A, B, C to be taken in anti-clockwise direction. Now you can find the area of a triangle ABC. Here I have to consider A, that is x1, y1, B, x2, y2, and C, that is x3, y3. Therefore, area of triangle ABC, that is equal to half into x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Again you have tried x1, y1. That's the formula for finding the area of a triangle. That is equal to half into, you know that x1, y1 from the diagram, minus 10, minus 4, x2, y2, that is minus 3, minus 5, x3, y3, that is minus 8, minus 1. Then you have to write x1, y1, again minus 10, minus 4. That is equal to half into, you have to multiply these two numbers, these two numbers. Minus 10 into minus 5, that is equal to 50. Minus 3 into minus 1, that is equal to plus 3. Minus 8 into minus 4, that is equal to plus 32. Then minus, multiply these two numbers, minus 4 into minus 3, that is equal to 12. Multiply these two numbers, minus 5 into minus 8, that is equal to 40. Minus 1 into minus 10, that is equal to plus 10. That is equal to half into, write all the numbers first, after that you can add or subtract. 50 plus 3 plus 32 minus 12 minus 40, minus into plus 40 minus 40, minus into 10 minus 10. That is equal to half into 50 plus 3, 53, 53 plus 32, that is equal to 85. Minus 12 minus 40, that is equal to minus 52. Minus 52 minus 10, that is equal to minus 62. That is equal to half into 85 minus 62, that is equal to 23. 23. 23 divided by 2, that is equal to 11.5 square units. 23 divided by 2, 2 11s are 22, balance 1, put point over here, decimal point, 0, 5 2s are 10, 0, right? 10 minus 10, that is equal to 0, 11.5 square units. Subdivision number 2 also over. So problem number 1 is completed. I will be teaching the problem number 2 in the next video. Thank you, children. Student, this is Sivakumar, 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 5, continuation of exercise 5.1. Now problem number 2. Determine whether the sets of points are collinear. Two subdivisions are given. Okay, we can do one by one. Remember the word collinear. Here we have the question. We have to determine the points, whether the points are collinear. What do you mean by collinear? I consider them as capital A, B and C. We have two subdivisions, 3 points, capital A, B and C. Collinear means all the 3 points lie on a same straight line. That is the meaning of collinear. If all the 3 points lie on a same straight line, no chance of forming a triangle. You'll be getting a straight line only, no chance of triangle. If no triangle means the area of a triangle will be 0. So, for proving the 3 points are collinear, it is enough to prove area of triangle equals 0. Now I can go for subdivision number 1. Here the points not to be plotted in a graph, because you are asked to verify the points are collinear. You just find the area of a triangle, consider the given points are A, B and C. Okay. The point A, that is x1, y1, B, that is x2, y2, this is x3, y3. Here also the same, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Subdivision number 1. I am going to find the area of triangle ABC. Half into x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Again you have tried x1, y1. That is equal to half into x1, y1, that is minus half comma 3. x2, y2 minus 5 comma 6. That's minus 5 and 6. And x3, y3 is minus 8 comma 8. Again you have tried x1, y1. So minus 1 by 2, 3. That is equal to half into multiply minus half into 6. Minus half into 6, that is equal to 2 table 3 times, that is minus 3. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Minus 5 into 8, minus 40. Minus 8 into 3, that is equal to minus 24. Minus half. Multiply these two. 3 into minus 5, minus 15. 6 into minus 8, minus 48. 8 into minus half. I have to multiply these two. Minus half into 8, 2 table. How many times? 4 times. That is equal to minus 4. That is equal to half into, write everything, minus 3, minus 40, minus 24, minus into minus plus 15, minus into minus plus 48, minus into minus plus 4. That is equal to half into, first add the positive numbers, 15 plus 48, that is equal to 63, 63 plus 4, that is equal to 67. Then negative numbers, minus 3, minus 40, that is equal to minus 43, minus 43, minus 24, that is equal to minus 67. That is equal to half into 67 minus 67, that is equal to 0. 0 into anything is 0. Since area of triangle equals 0, you can straight away write A, B, C are collinear. Now subdivision number 2. Okay. Area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC, that is equal to half into x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, again x1, y1. That is equal to half into x1, y1, that is given A, B plus C. A comma B plus C. Then B point, B comma C plus A. Next C comma A plus B. C comma A plus B. Again you have tried x1, y1, that is A, B plus C. capital A, capital B, capital C, and then again capital A. That is equal to half into multiply, that is A into C plus A plus B into A plus B plus C into B plus C minus, then you have to multiply B into B plus C, C into C plus A plus C into C plus A plus A into A plus B plus A into A plus B. That is equal to, write half into A into C, AC, A into A square, A into B, AB plus B into B, B square, B into C, C into B or B into C, that is BC only, plus C into C, C square. Here we have B into B, B square, here minus, so minus B square. B into C, BC, here we have minus, so minus BC. C squared, here we have minus, so minus C squared. Here we have AC, AC here minus, so minus AC. A into A squared, here we have minus, so minus A squared. A into B, AB, here we have minus, so minus AB. Right? Now, AC minus AC get cancelled, plus A squared and minus A squared get cancelled, and plus AB minus AB plus B squared minus B squared, then plus BC minus BC and plus C squared minus C squared, all cancelled. So you are getting 0 only, correct? So half into 0, that is equal to half into 0. 0 into anything, that is equal to 0. Therefore, A comma B comma C are collinear. Since area of triangle equals 0, all the points lie on a same straight line only. That's why I have written A, B, C are collinear. So problem number 2 is completed. I will be teaching problem number 3 in the next video. Thank you, children. Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 5, continuation of exercise 5.1. Now problem number 3. In problem number 3, you are given the vertices of a triangle. All the 3 vertices of a triangle. At the same time, you are given area of a triangle also. Find the value of P. Okay, 2 subdivisions are there. 3 vertices given, area given. You have to find the value or values of P. Value of P. Question number 3, subdivision number 1. Given area of triangle ABC, that is 20 square units. I consider them as capital A, capital B and capital C. Okay. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Area of a triangle formula, you know that half, right, like this, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Again you have to write x1, y1. That is equal to 20 square units. x1, y1, here it is, what it is, 0, 0, 0, 0. That next, x2, y2, P8. x3, y3, 6, 2. Again you have to write x1, y1, that is 0, 0. That is equal to, you just cross multiply 2 into 20. 2 into 20. Okay. Now we have to multiply 0 into 8, that is equal to 0, p into 2, that is equal to 2p, 6 into 0, that is 0, minus, again I tell you, 0 into 8, 0, p into 2, 2p, 6 into 0, 0, minus 0 into p, 0, plus 8 6 are 48, then 2 into 0, 0, that is equal to 2 into 20, that is 40. 0 plus 2p plus 0, that is equal to 2p. Here 0 plus 48 plus 0, that is 48. Here we have minus, so minus 48, that is equal to 40. 2p, that is equal to 40. This minus 48 comes right hand side, plus 48. 2p, that is equal to 88. Therefore p, that is equal to 88 divided by 2, p, that is equal to 44. 88 by 2, that is equal to 44. Subdivision number 1 is over. That is the value of p. Now subdivision number 2. For subdivision number 2, I consider this is A, B, this one is C, this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. For subdivision number 2, area of triangle ABC, that is equal to 32 square units. It is given. Then write the formula in the next line, half x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, again x1, y1. That is equal to 32 square units. x1, y1, that is given pp, p comma p. Next to x2, y2, 5, 6, next 5 minus 2, 5 comma 6, 5 comma minus 2. Again you have to write x1, y1, that is p and p, equals, cross multiply 2 and 32, 2 into 32. Okay. Now have to multiply these two, these two. 5 into 6, sorry, p into 6, that is equal to 6p, 5 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 10, 5 into p, that is equal to 5p. Write them inside the brackets. Then introduce minus. Again 5 into p, that is equal to 5p, 5 6 are 30, minus 2 into p minus 2p, that is equal to 32 2s are 64. 6p minus 10 plus 5p, minus into 5p minus 5p, minus into 30 minus 30, minus into minus plus 2p, that is equal to 64. Plus 5p minus 5p get cancelled. Then 6p plus 2p, like terms, 6p plus 2p, that is equal to 8p. Minus 10 minus 30, that is minus 40, that is equal to 64 in the right hand side. So 8p, that is equal to 64, minus 40 comes right hand side, plus 14. So 8p, that is equal to 64 plus 40, that is equal to 104. Therefore p, that is equal to 104 divided by 8. 8 table, how many times? 8 ones are 8. We have the balance 2, then 4, 24. 24 how many times? 3 times. 8 3s are 24. That is the value of p. Subdivision number 2 also completed. Now problem number 3 is over. I will be teaching the problem number 4 in the next video. Thank you, children. Hi students, this is Sivakumar. 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 5, continuation of exercise 5.1. Now, problem number 4. In each of the following Find the value of A for which the given points are collinear. Two subdivisions are there. You are given the points are collinear. What it means? All the 3 points lie on a same straight line. Therefore, area of a triangle ABC that is equal to 0. Correct? Question number 4, subdivision number 1. Given the 3 points capital A, B and C are collinear. It is given in the question itself, collinear. Already I told you, if all the 3 points lie on the same straight line, that is the meaning of collinear. No formation of triangle. All the 3 points lie on a same straight line, no formation of triangle. So obviously area of a triangle will be 0. A, B, C. Therefore, area of triangle ABC becomes 0, which implies area of the triangle half x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, then again you have to write x1 y1, that is equal to 0. Right? x1 y1, here it is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. What is x1 y1? 2 3, then 4a, 2 3 4a, 6 comma minus 3, 6 minus 3, again x1 y1, that is 2 3, equals, you just cross multiply 2 into 0. Now have to multiply 2 into a, 2a, 4 into minus 3, minus 12, 6 3s are 18, minus 3 4s are 12, a into 6, 6a, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, that is equal to 2 into 0, 0. Now eliminate the brackets, 2a minus 12 plus 18 minus 12 minus into 6a minus 6a minus into minus plus 6, that is equal to 0. 2a plus 6a, like term, 2a minus 6a, that is equal to minus 4a, minus 12 plus 18, that is equal to 6, 6 minus 12, that is equal to minus 6, minus 6 plus 6, that is 0, that is equal to 0. Minus 4a, that is equal to minus 4a plus 0, that is minus 4a, that is equal to 0. Therefore, a that is equal to 0, minus 4 into a, minus 4 is multiplied with a, so that minus 4 to be written in the denominator. Comes to the division. A that is equal to 0 by anything that is equal to 0. That is a value of a. Subdivision 1 is over. Then I will be teaching subdivision number 2. For subdivision number 2, here I consider this is A, B, C, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now subdivision number 2, given A, B, C are collinear, which implies area of triangle ABC that is equal to 0. Area of triangle half x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, again you have to write x1 y1, that is equal to 0. x1 y1, that is given a 2 minus 2a, a 2 minus 2a, b point minus a plus 1 comma 2a, minus a plus 1 comma 2a, C point minus 4 minus a, 6 minus 2a. Again you have to write x1 y1, that is a 2 minus 2a equals, cross multiply 2 into 0. Now multiply a into 2a, 2a square, put plus, multiply these two, minus a plus 1 into 6 minus 2a, again put plus, multiply these two, minus 4 minus a into 2 minus 2a. Minus, then you have to multiply these two, 2 minus 2a into minus a plus 1, multiply these two, put plus, 2a into minus 4 minus a, again put plus, multiply these two, 6 minus 2a into a, that is equal to 2 into 0, 0. Write 2a squared first, minus a into 6, that is minus 6a. Then you have to multiply these two, minus into minus plus, 2a into a, that is 2a squared. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into minus 2a, minus 2a. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8. Minus 4 into minus 2a, that is plus 8a. Minus a into 2, that is minus 2a. Minus a into minus 2a, that is plus 2a square. Here minus bracket 2 into minus a, minus 2a, 2 into 1, 2, minus into minus plus 2a into a, 2a square, minus 2a into 1, that is equal to minus 2a. 2a into minus 4, that is minus 8a. 2a into minus a, that is equal to minus 2a square. Then 6 into a, 6a. Then minus 2a into a, that is minus 2a square. Close the bracket, that is equal to 0. Now 2a square plus 2a square, 4a square. 4a square plus 2a square, that is 6a square. Now a family. Minus 6a minus 2a, that is minus 8a. Minus 8a plus 8a get cancelled. You will be getting only minus 2a. A terms over. Now constant. Constant we have 6 and minus 8. 6 minus a, that is equal to minus 2. Here minus bracket a squared minus 2a squared plus 2a squared cancel. We have only minus 2a squared. Then a. Minus 2a, that is minus 4a. Minus 4a minus 8a minus 12a. Minus 12a plus 6a, that is minus 6a. Finally, the constant, we have only one constant, that is plus 2. That is equal to 0. Now, 6a squared minus 2a minus 2 minus into minus plus 2a squared minus into minus plus 6a minus into 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. 6a square plus 2a square, that is equal to 8a square. Minus 2a plus 6a, that is equal to 4a. Minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4, that is equal to 0. Here 8a squared, 4a and minus 4 we can divide by 4. If we divide by 4, 8 by 4, that is 2a squared. 4 and 4 get cancelled, a. 4 by 4, that is equal to 1, that is equal to 0. We can go for factors because it is a quadratic equation. Factorize the coefficient of a squared equals 2. 2 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. Coefficient of a, that is equal to 1. Product minus 2, sum 1, the two numbers are 2 and minus 1. 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. Since it is a quadratic equation, we can write the values of a directly. How to write the values of a? Consider the coefficient of a square. What is here? 2. Change the sign. Write minus 2 in the denominator. 2 to get cancelled, correct? Plus divide by minus, minus 1. Minus 1. 2 by 2, that is 1. Right? Minus minus get cancelled, that is 1 by 2. We have two different values of A. Subdivision 2 is over. That is problem number 4 is completed. I'll be teaching problem number 5 in the next video. Thank you, children.
Hi students, this is Kumar. 10th standard mathematics chapter number 5, continuation of exercise 5.1. Question number 5, find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are at, two subdivisions are there, we can do one by one. Now subdivision number 1. Now all the 4 points to be plotted, minus 9, minus 2. Minus 9 in x-axis, minus 2 in y-axis. Here is the point minus 9, comma, minus 2. Second point, minus 8, comma, minus 4. Minus 8 in x-axis, minus 4 in y-axis. Here is the point minus 8, comma, minus 4. Now, the third point, 2, comma, 2. 2 in x-axis, 2 in y-axis. Here is the point 2, comma, 2. Now the fourth point, 1, comma, minus 3. 1 in x-axis, minus 3 in y-axis. Now all the 4 points to be joined by using scale. I have joined all the 4 points. Now the points to be taken in anti-clockwise direction. You can start A anywhere. I start A over here. A, this is B, anti-clockwise direction. A, B, C and D. Now write the formula for area of a quadrilateral. Okay, therefore area of quadrilateral equals area of quadrilateral ABCD equals half x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 again x1 y1. That is equal to, write half x1 y1, that is point A, that is minus 8 minus 4. x2 y2, that is point B, 1 minus 3. x3 y3, that is point C, that is 2 comma 2. x4 y4, that is point D, that is minus 9 minus 2. Finally x1 y1, here it is minus 8 minus 4. That is equal to half into, multiply these two set of numbers, minus 8 into minus 3, 24. Then 1 into 2 plus 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus 9 into minus 4 plus 36, minus, then you have to multiply these two numbers, minus 4 and 1, minus 3 and 2, 2 and minus 9, minus 2 and minus 8. Minus 4 into 1, minus 4, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, 2 into minus 9, minus 18, minus 2 into minus 8, plus 16. That is equal to half. First you can eliminate the brackets, or write all the numbers, eliminate the brackets only. 24 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 36, minus into minus plus 4, minus into minus plus 6, minus into minus plus 18, minus into 16, minus 16. Now you can add all the positive numbers. After that you can add all the negative numbers. 24 plus 2, 26. 26 plus 36, 62. 62 plus 4, 66 plus 6, 72. 72 plus 18, that is equal to 90. 90, half into 90. That is equal to half into 90 minus. Now you can add all the negative numbers. Minus 4 minus 16, that is equal to minus 20. equals half. 90 minus 20, that is equal to 70. You can cancel by 2 table 35. 35 ones are 35 square units. Now subdivision number 2. Here also we have 4 points. We have to plot all the 4 points in a graph. First point minus 9 comma 0. Minus 9 comma 0 lies on x-axis. Minus 8 comma 6. Minus 8 in x-axis, 6 in y-axis. Here is the point minus 8 comma 6. Minus 1 comma minus 2. Minus 1 in x-axis, minus 2 in y-axis. That is minus 1 comma minus 2. Minus 6 comma minus 3. Minus x in x-axis, minus 3 in y-axis. Here is the point minus 6 comma minus 3. Have plotted all the 4 points. Now I am going to join all the 4 points by using scale. Now we have the quadrilateral. Now I am going to find the area of a quadrilateral. The 4 points to be taken in anti-clockwise direction. Can take the point A anywhere. I start A here, B, this is C and D. All the 4 points to be taken in anti-clockwise direction. Now write the formula area of a quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral ABCD equals half x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4. Again you have to write x1 y1. That is equal to half x1 y1 from A, that is minus 6 minus 3. x2 y2 from B, minus 1 minus 2. x3 y3 from C, that is minus 8 comma 6. x4 y4 from D, that is minus 9 comma 0. Finally x1 y1. What is x1 y1? Minus 6 minus 3. Now half into multiply minus 6 into minus 2, that is 12. Minus 1 into 6 minus 6. Minus 8 into 0 0. Minus 9 into minus 3 plus 27. Minus of. Multiply these two numbers. Minus 3 into minus 1 3. Minus 2 into minus 8 16. 6 into minus 9 minus 54. 0 into anything is 0. Close the bracket. Now can eliminate the brackets. Write half into half into, write all the numbers. 12 minus 6 0 27. 12 minus 6 can eliminate the 0. Straight away we can write 27. 12 minus 6 27. 12 minus 6 27. Next minus into 3 minus 3 minus into 16 minus 16 minus 3 minus 16. Next minus into minus 54 plus 54, then 0. Don't write 0, just plus 54. Plus 54 equals half into, add the positive numbers, 12 plus 27 39. 39 plus 54, that is 83. 93. 39 plus 54, that is equal to 93. Now, negative numbers. Minus 6, minus 3, minus 9, minus 9, minus 16, that is equal to minus 25. That is equal to half into 93 minus 25. I do the calculation here. 93 minus 25, subtract 3 and 5. No chance of subtracting, have to borrow, it will be 8. That 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 5, that is equal to 8. 8 minus 2, that is equal to 6. 68. Cancel by 2 table how many times? 34 times. 34 ones are 34 square units. So question number 5, both the subdivisions completed. I'll be teaching problem number 6 in the next video. Thank you, children. Hi students, this is Kumar. 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 5, continuation of exercise 5.1. Now problem number 6. Find the value of k if the area of the quadrilateral is 28 square units. Area of the quadrilateral is given. You are asked to find out the value of k. The 4 vertices of a quadrilateral are given. Okay. Right, given area of a quadrilateral. So write the formula in the next line. Half x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4, again x1 y1, that is equal to 28. Half the 4 vertices given, I consider them as the given points are minus 4, minus 2, minus 3 comma k, 3 comma minus 2, 2 comma 3. Can consider them as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. The vertices taken in order, right? x1 y1 minus 4 minus 2, x2 y2 minus 3 k, x3 y3 3 minus 2, x4 y4 2 3, again x1 y1 minus 4 minus 2, that is equal to 28. Multiply these two, minus 4 into k, minus 4k, minus 3 into minus 2, plus 6, then 3 3s are 9, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Close the brackets, again minus, multiply these two numbers, minus 2 into minus 3 6, k into 3 3k, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, 3 into minus 4 minus 12, that is equal to, here we have 2 in the denominator, cross multiply 2 and 28, 2 into 28. Now we can eliminate the brackets, write everything, minus 4k plus 6 plus 9 minus 4, minus into 6 minus 6, minus into 3k minus 3k, minus into minus 4 plus 4, minus into minus 12 plus 12, that is equal to 2 into 28 is 56. Then add the like terms, minus 4k minus 3k, that is equal to minus 7k, 6 plus 9 15, before that you can cancel minus 4 and plus 4, right? 6 plus 9 15, 15 minus 6, that is equal to 9, 9 plus 12 21, that is equal to 56. Minus 7k, that is equal to 56, plus 21 comes right hand side, minus 21, minus 7k, that is equal to 56 minus 21, that is equal to 35. Minus 7k equals 35, k, that is equal to 35 divided by minus 7. Minus 7 comes to the denominator. 7 table how many times? 5 times. So 7 table here 1 time, here 5 times, here minus 1 in the denominator. 5 by minus 1, that is equal to minus 5. The value of k is minus 5. That's all. Problem number 6 is completed. I'll be teaching problem number 7 in the next video. Thank you, children.